Tulak yan, mag-impress ka.
Okay. So ano, humupa na bang tension ba?
Humupa na, pero recently parang nabuhay ulit.
Oo, ayun natin si Pacquiao. Oo nga eh.
Nag-apologize naman siya, di ba?
Paratas na miss na din yata siya.
Oo nga.
Alright, so ano masasabi mo na parang masyadong ano yung gay community ngayon, na parang medyo sensitive sila?
Oo nga, masyado naman silang sensitive. Nag-apologize naman yung tao.
So once and for all, let's settle the issue. Yung sa'yo muna, I know that you've already explained your piece, pero on cam, ulitin natin siya na I'm sure it wasn't meant to do any harm, and it was your personal opinion.
Well, it is my opinion, and because I'm coming from the space where, I'm Christian, and this is what I believe in, and this is what's written in the Bible, so definitely, I will go by God's word. However, if people don't believe in the same thing, I don't intend to ram it into their throats, because people are entitled to their own choices, diba? And whatever choices people have, then I can respect that, but I will stand by God's truth.
Ito ba, Mare, may isa pang issue ngayon, si Lady Gaga naman daw ay anti-Christ, hindi dapat siya nagko-concert sa isang Roman
nababalita
Catholic
ako
country.
nga yan.
Katulad natin, your thoughts on this?
I guess we really just have to be careful with the music that we listen to. Nowadays, we really have to be discerning kasi music is the language of the soul. So, we have to determine if the message of the songs that we're listening to